Explain Zita. Today I will tell you how to make the fried rice. Materials you need: rice, onion, chickpea, meatball, and tahu. Okay, in here I use massaka and dishes. Okay, let's do cooking. The first, slice the onion. Wait. Second, slice the mustard greens. Next, slice the meatballs. Next, tahu. Okay, for your cooking, prepare the pan and cooking spoon. Okay, turn gas off. Adding a margarine or butter. Adding a onion slice. The next, adding the meatball and tahu. In here, I added a sauce. The next, mustard greens. Ow. Stir until blended. And the rice starch. Added a salt. In here I used massaka. The next, ajinomoto. Pour the sauce. Mix it until blended. Okay, the fried rice ready to eat. Thank you.